Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can on and off the flashlight or the torch at the Samsung Galaxy A7. So for that we just scroll down to go to the shortcuts, and here we have the symbol for the torch or the flashlight. On it, on, and to off it, just tap on off and it's off. Okay, and there's another nice tool you can have for the torch or the flashlight is just to scroll down a second time, and if you go now on the written word below the icon, so in the case torch, you have the opportunity to change also the brightness. You can on it here, and here you can change the brightness, and as you can see it is changing. After you are ready, go on done, and you have always now that better brightness or lower brightness. And if you want to off it, same thing, just tap on the icon and it's off. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.